Hey, it's Chris with Road Dental Laboratory, and I'm here with Dr. Harry, and we just finished up a week-long course with 3D dentists in Raleigh, North Carolina. Tell me a little bit about your experience with the course and kind of how the week went.
Yeah, it was incredible. So I came in with somewhat of a simple surgical background. I place a few implants here and there. I do some full mouth extractions, but knew I wanted to get into the fixed arch world, as I know it's growing and there's a lot of technology that's developing around it. So 3D has this awesome course set up where you're really set up to be successful if it's something you want to get into. By the time Thursday got here, where we were seeing our patients, I felt very prepared and comfortable with all the treatments. And then Ro did an awesome job of providing us with these Chrome GuidedSMILE kits and walking us through each patient that they had planned for us. Yeah, and I can't speak highly of it enough. I feel comfortable going home and being able to treat these patients and help out my community.
Now they also cover, the digital side of things and digital restorative. So the attendees at this course with the Chrome GuidedSMILE stackable, you did a traditional pickup of temp cylinders, and then you did the digital workflow as well. So talk a little bit about that and what you liked and maybe didn't like, or what was different about that.
Yeah, so with the Chrome GuidedSMILE kit, I guess you can request whatever pieces you'd like, but it comes with your pickup that the patient's going to go home with, and also a verification type pickup.
It's a duplicate prosthesis.
Yeah, duplicate prosthesis. But in addition to that, you can opt to go the route of doing a grammetry approach, which we did with the OptiSPLINT, which I think if you're going to be introducing this into your practice, if you have printing capabilities, it's probably going to save you some time.
Talk a little bit about today compared to yesterday. Yesterday was fully guided, stackable system, everything planned out, and then today was, of course, everything still planned out, but you're doing more freehand. It was an overdenture case. So what were your compare those 2 days, I guess?
Yeah. So yesterday having our first. For most of us, just our first full arch, it was pretty intense and just mentally and physically draining. Today, the cases, while we did a lot of the same workup, I felt, a little more at ease and at home today, but kind of just working up a typical, we ended up placing 4 implants and converting our patient into a locator fixed option, which was pretty cool to be able to see that.
That's really cool.
So the patient actually left with the fixed prosthesis.
And you were one of the lucky ones because the others didn't get that option. So that's kind of cool to see that workflow.
Yeah. So it was kind of, especially after today, and I think they recognized we were all kind of just little mentally and physically tired. So today it was nice to have a little bit. Just the surgeries didn't require quite as much of us, I guess. So, it's nice to finish that up and head into the weekend. Yeah, no, that's great. And it's nice to have that over the shoulder support with with Dr. Jock, Dr. Sullivan and T-Bone, because things can happen during surgery, and it's nice to know that they're right there to jump in if something happens. They're great, great teachers, a great group of doctors here. One thing that I also liked was last night after the full arch day, we had kind of a debrief back at the retreat. Did you pick up any gems there, or just? Yeah, just learning from each person's case. I think everyone ran into something different. So hearing, whether it was flap design, difficulty with sizing up your implants, which osteotomy to finish with, just so many little pearls to take from the day. So it's cool to get everyone's different point of view and how it went. So
no, great, man. Well, thanks for spending some time with me and had a great week. Check out 3D Dentist on, I think it's 3ddentist.com, I think is their website, or just search for them. They're all over the web. They have a ton of courses, so they have everything from your single arch or single implants all the way through full arch, and then sleep and smile design. There's a ton, so check them out. It's a great group to get involved with. How many? Is this your first 3D dentist course?
This is my first, but
Yeah.
I'll definitely be back.